Good morning. I just did a 6 a.m. hot yoga class. I feel like this is what I needed to get out of the slump I've been going through. I've been really struggling these past couple months with a new diagnosis, which I will talk about, car accident, losing a bunch of weight because of new medication. It's just really been a tough time for me. I feel like getting up today and getting out of the house at 6 a.m., meeting up with a friend, and just hearing that my little accomplishments mean everything. The instructor was like, don't think just because you're not making big milestones right now that you're not improving, like going through your growth process, which I needed because people close to me, which great for them, like they make huge accomplishments and it gets blasted, congratulated all over social media, and I love that. But sometimes you want that for yourself as well, but since you don't make giant accomplishments, nobody really notices. But you don't need anyone to notice, you just need to notice yourself. Take a look back on like where you were a year ago. I promise you'll see some sort of difference. Your character, your personality, what you do every day, how productive you are, even though your worth is not based on your productivity, nor is your worth based on how your body looks. I think we just need to take the time to be grateful sometimes. I've been depresso espresso and drinking it up as I should. Not just kidding. We all deal with certain news in different ways. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day, even though I didn't have to tell you that, like you wouldn't have noticed, but I want us to have an honest and open relationship. This is the fit. Beige shorts. This top is from Forever 21. It's a sports bra. It fits awkwardly in my opinion because the straps like this. This belly piercing is so cute. I got it, it's new. And I've lost some weight. I was super thicky last month. And I started a new medication, which I will explain what it's for. And it suppressed my appetite, made me nauseous. So I've been eating like a third of the amount that I normally eat. I usually eat like a lot, and now I can't. So I've lost some weight, but I'm embracing the body that I have now. I have a little flat tummy and I think it's cute. And when I'm super thick and chunk, I think I look sexy as fuck. So it's all about embracing your current state. And I did the yoga yesterday and that really helped me. I was in a sports bra and like biker shorts, so I was really sweaty, close to my body, and learning to feel comfortable. So it was great. And if you haven't tried a hot yoga class, I definitely recommend it. So today's agenda is putting away these clothes and organizing my area. This is where I'm gonna be staying, so I want to make it homey. This is what we're working with right now. Hey. Yeah, so I just have a lot to do, but first things first, I think I'm gonna shower. I know when I'm on my period, not that you asked, because I have my period now. After 3 years, again, we'll explain in a different video. I shower twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. And if you're a girl, sorry, not if you're a girl, because we are all inclusive. If you are a person who has a period, then you know how icky that shit is. So showering twice a day just makes me more comfy. Is it giving FaceTime vibes, guys? Skincare, here we come. I told my parents not to put that there. How can I be an influencer with that shit in the background? The struggles of being broke and trying to be an influencer. I have to move it, hold on. Skincare routine, are you ready? So we're going in with witch hazel. I know this is really bad for you. When this is done, I will get something different. Although they did come out with the moisturizing toner, I might have to try before I completely stay away from witch hazel. From Thayer's. I don't know if it's witch hazel or just Thayer's in general. It's literally so fucking hot, but I'm waiting to put the serum on to go change because it has to set into my skin before I apply moisturizer. Now my favorite thing ever, 10% niacinamide, 1% zinc. Once you start using this, your skin will change your life. Like literally, I'm not even being dramatic, it will literally change your life. It looks like this, so cute. So you just take 2 drops. You can use more, but 2 to 3 is recommended because this is very strong. And the reason I love this is because I had really clear skin up until like age 19. And I thought it was because some bitch told me I had really clear skin and I thought they were jealous. So I thought I got mal de ojo and started breaking out. But that wasn't the case. It was actually because my hormones were going crazy, which I will explain at a later date. There's still some bumps, but it's cleared up significantly. And it will make you break out a little bit at first, but just keep using it and you will see crazy results. So now I'm just gonna let that set in and I'm gonna change into my clothes for the day, into something comfy while I clean. I will see you guys in a bit. I changed and I don't know how I feel about the pants because they're rough and I have the texture problem. This is from Target. I think it's the Coolest line, I'm not sure. And then I have these old pink flip pants, but they're kind of crunchy right now. Next up, Holy Grail. I already know y'all gonna be like, of course, Cynthia. Herbalife Skin Line Night Cream. There's no other way to put skin moisturizer on. This is the way to do it. Period. Look at the glow. Please. Wide tooth comb. If you know, you know. And if you don't, I told you, we don't gatekeep over here. And one thing I hate is when people are like, if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't. How do you? These are the 2 products I use. This shit is phenomenal. 10 out of 10 would recommend. When I use these 2 together, my hair is so healthy. So I use this as a detangler and it smells so good. If you like vanilla scents, some people don't. It's black vanilla. I love it. And I always get questions on how did your hair grow so long so fast. Literally, I will not keep it from you. I will tell you exactly how. Number 1, drink a lot of water. When I drink a lot of water, my hair grows really fast. And you have to be eating like good nutrients too. You can't be eating McDonald's for lunch and then pizza for dinner and that's it for the day and expect your hair to grow. Be fucking for real. I'm talking so much shit about how you need to eat right, and now all I had was half a fucking protein waffle today and it's already 4 p.m. Now I put this in it and you literally, you don't need a lot, especially the ends, they're bleached. Now it is time to go make some food. And yes, I use my iPhone to record. Once I get to 500 subscribers, I'm gonna treat myself and treat you guys to a better quality camera. So get me to 500 subbies. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to record, but this is steak and cheese. I dogged that shit. No regrets. Hey guys, it's been like 4 hours later since I first started this video. I'm kind of getting down on myself about it, but that's the reality of being depressed. Getting out of a slump. Like, you try to do good things and it just doesn't end up happening all the time, and that's okay.
I mean, whatever, I guess.
Because I'm human and you're human. We're literally all human and we need to stop being so hard on ourselves. All right, let's put Jesse Reyes on. Open Spotify. Let's get into it. are all Isabel's clothes. I literally crashed and now I'm just laying down, listening to sad music, being sad for no reason. And that's just the reality of the life of Cynthia, just getting of being a human being with anxiety and depression. And I'm about to start dissociating already. Did I recorded like a 60-second video of me just staring into my own eyes, and I was like, wow, I have beautiful brown eyes. And there I go again. So it's day 2. I got a good day started. Look at this weather. It's raining, thundering, and lightning. And normally I love to like cuddle up and just relax on these days. This doesn't really help the slumpage, but it did force me to like have time to relax. So I think I'm gonna paint my toenails. My nephew. Come here, it's okay. You wanna sit? You want to sit with Titi? Cuddle up in your blanket. Take a bear to cuddle with you. It'll be okay. It's quite scary out here, but I think it's relaxing, so I'm just gonna probably just take this time to like sit with myself and practice some self-love. Let's get into it, part 2.
Everywhere, man.
It's currently 10:20 at night, and you're probably like, Cynthia, what are you doing up at 10:20 at night? I told myself I was gonna work out today. I also told myself I was gonna work out yesterday, and I keep putting it off. So I'm just gonna get one done. I'm just gonna get it done. So the lighting is not gonna be great, but this is just gonna show like the realness, the rawness of doing something that you said you were gonna do. The discipline that it takes to do what you told yourself you were gonna do builds trust within yourself. Because if you're saying, oh, I'm gonna do it, and you don't, your self-confidence is gonna fucking plummet. Let me tell you, I know, because I'm queen of insecurity.
I'm gonna kill myself! Wow.
So it's gonna be 35 minutes, it's gonna be quick. I'm gonna do a warm-up. to you guys after. Bye. Okay guys, so just keeping it real with you. I got about a third of the way done with the workout. I'm not gonna stop, but this is how far I got. And I started to feel really nauseous. And with my condition, it's easy to like get nauseous because of the medication I'm taking and just like the condition in general. So I have to stop and take this nausea pill. It's pretty fast acting from my experience. I started taking these before the medication. It doesn't help as fast with the medication, but I just put it under my tongue and wait for it to dissolve. I'm just gonna take a minute to breathe. I'm just gonna take a minute to relax and get back into it. Okay, I'm gonna finish the workout and get back to you guys. See you later.